Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces 222. It is Tuesday, June 9th, 2020. I'm going to do daily message from Spirit today for you guys. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright. Hopefully we've got some shifts from this victim mode that we were feeling yesterday. I feel like it's this victim mode is actually a catalyst. There's a huge catalyst happening right now to kind of break us out of the mold. Okay, does it make sense? Huge shift happening right now. Yeah. Okay, so there's a shift, definitely a shift happening in the energies right now. I feel like this victim mode that we've been feeling, this low vibrational energy that's been coming in, has been really kind of like literally the catalyst to change for a lot of us, not just globally, okay? I'm talking individually, okay? A lot of us are really taking a look at ourselves right now and have been doing that, but I mean like in depth, like looking at ourselves going, you know what? What can I change? What can I change? Okay? How can I show myself love here? Okay? How have I been neglecting myself? I've been neglecting myself, you know? Looking at the world as it is, everything's on fire, literally, you know? But taking a look at your own life and how you've left that in ruins. How have you neglected yourself? How have you destroyed yourself? How have you sabotaged yourself? Okay? I was talking about yesterday, like all of this hate and fear that's been coming in this year, you know? A lot of us, it served a purpose. It served a purpose for us to take a look at how we've been hating ourselves. How have we been mistreating ourselves? Okay? And so right now, it's like the shift that's happening here is a lot of us are just going within and being like, you know what? You know what? I can change this. I can change my reality. Okay? I can change my reality. And I'm going to do it. Okay? But the first thing I need to do is change my thinking, change my perspective, okay? And come at the situation with love. That is what guides you. That is what moves you forward. That is what heals you, okay? Yeah, a lot of us are releasing karma right now, absolutely. And I feel like what's been happening is like we've been recognizing the karma, but it's like we've been holding on to it. We're afraid to release it. It's like we're almost afraid to forgive. We're almost afraid to forgive not just ourselves, but just everyone, you know, but you have to forgive yourself first. You can't forgive someone else unless you forgive yourself first. Same thing with love. You can't love someone unless you love yourself first, right? So a lot of us releasing karma right now, being like, you know what? I'm not going to hold on to this anymore. This is what's keeping me stuck. This is what's keeping me from moving forward. This is what's keeping me from being motivated, you know, to release the things that I need to release the feelings I need to release the guilt, to release the resentment, whatever it is that's coming up to be released has to do with the karma. We're stuck in this unforgiveness mode. Okay? And that's where this self-love is coming in. To love yourself is to forgive yourself is to love yourself as well. Okay? And a lot of times it's hard to love yourself unless you fully forgive yourself for everything. Okay? But yeah, I mean, just don't want to be stuck anymore, right? It's time to make a decision. And I feel like a lot of you right now are making that decision to move forward. You know, you're making that decision to love yourself and to manifest your own reality, because the reality you're in right now really sucks. Really sucks. Okay? So the main message today, advice today from Spirit, is work through your fears. That's the main thing, guys. You got to work through this fear. There's a lot of fear going around right now. There's a lot of this fear energy, anger energy. It's just nasty energy going around right now. And like I said before, something is feeding off of this. Okay? As a form of control. Think about it that way. Don't let it control you. Don't let it consume you. Rise above it. Okay? You got to have an equal balance of everything, okay? Ego coming into play really, really bad right now. Bad, okay? Don't let it mess with you, all right? Keep that balance. Keep yourself grounded. Okay, so releasing fear and releasing negativity. And once you do that, there will be change, okay? And change is happening now. Change is definitely happening now. A lot of people are waking up to the reality that the reality, that their reality, what they're seeing right now, sucks. Okay? And they're trying to change it, but you have to change it from within first. The external is a reflection of the internal. You have to change your energy first, right? So that's what we do as the collective, right? We lift the rest of us up. Those of us who are not as awakened, right? Those of us who are awakened help to raise up those who are not as awakened, okay? We're all connected. All right? All right, guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Orb. Bye-bye.